Course details. If we go to our courses and then we go to a course that we've already created, we can easily change our course details inside here. Now, if you've just created a brand new course, you'll have access to these tabs in any case. But it's really easy to go in and change any of the text within here and simply update. Let's run through all of these settings inside of the course details tab here. The course title is the name of your course. The course subtitle is a subtitle for the course, and you also have course URL here. You can copy this URL and send this out when the course is published. We can also go and edit this URL if we wish as well. Let's change this to we can. Easily create a course. If I now update these details, you'll see that the URL will now change. We can also add instructors. If we have multiple instructors in here, we can simply click on these and add them as additional instructors. We can even remove ourselves as an instructor. Zenler gives you the ability to add instructors into any of your courses and swap them if you need to. You can also add the course to a category if you have a category set up. Let's add a category. Click Manage Categories, add a category. Let's call this one Zenler and click Add Category. You can also put a URL. So I'm going to call this Zenler hyphen category and click Add Category. If I now return back to my course, which is opened in a tab there, refresh the page, I will now be able to add the new category Zenler. Please check the support docs where I go into a bit more detail about category. You can also make the course featured. So a feature is a special block that you can add within the pages. When we get to pages, we will be adding the course featured block. We can also make the course price hidden. Course prices will be visible in your site, but the student needs to contact you to purchase the course. We can make the courses secret. Courses will not be visible in your site, only students with direct links to the course can access it. We can also enable certification for our courses. Please see the support doc on certificates. And we can set an enrollment limit, limit the amount of people coming into your course. You can show a course progress screen between the lessons as well. If you enable this option, the progress screen will be shown between lessons. When you make any changes within this area, please be sure to click Update. On the right hand side, we have Course Card. We give you the ability to design your own course card within Canva or to upload your own course image. We can also show a rating on the course card based on reviews that you have achieved. Let's upload a course card and then I will show you how to design on Canva a course card. Let's click Change. Now let's select an image from our desktop. I'm going to click Open. And now I can position this where I like and drag this to the correct size before cropping and saving. Now I have created a course card for my course. Let's go back to courses and have a look at it. There it is. Let's go back into it now and use the Canva feature. First I will remove the course card and then I will click Design on Canva. This will connect to Canva and you will be able to create a new design. Let's go and choose one of these ready-made designs over on the left hand side. Let's drop this into here and simply change the text inside. Add our logo. This also connects to your own account, so if you have uploaded images, you can still access them. We'll position this here, and then when I'm finished, I'm going to click Publish. As this is a premium image here, I cannot use this image, so I'm going to delete it out for the sake of this example and just change things around a little bit inside here. If they are premium images, you're not going to be able to use them unless you have a paid Zoom account. Let's click Publish. You'll see that it prepares the design and simply uploads it straight into the course. Let's have a look at it on the course page now. Make sure that you do hit Update and then return to the courses area. And you can see our new design is uploaded into there. So this is all about the course details when you create your course.